The goal with this activity is to get a stretch in the upper back. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to set up in hands and knees, actually knuckles and knees. I want your knuckles to be slightly turned inward so your thumbs are almost going towards a pointed down position, but not like super far, just very, very subtle. You want your hands so they're behind your shoulders, not necessarily stacked. From here, you're going to belt buckle to belly button, so tuck your hips, lean forward while keeping the tuck, and then push up from this position. You're going to breathe here. You should feel a nice stretch in kind of your mid-upper back as you do this. So in through the nose. Nice long exhale. Pause. Keep the ab tension on the inhale. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.